Welcome to Riotouch Factory Show. As a professional interactive display manufacturer, we have more than 15 years experience, acquired many awards and certifications. This is Riotouch Factory Overview. Our team is professional and experienced. Guess you are curious about how we produce interactive display. Let's figure it out. We use high-quality LED lamp strip, make sure our interactive display products have the best vision experience. That's why we can reach 4K high-definition level. In throwing plate assemble process, our experienced team will carefully tighten every screw, offer stable quality. This is the part where touchscreen functions coming from. We use high-quality touchscreen module in our products, make sure our interactive display to have stable touchscreen quality. Checking out this PCB board, it is a processor, as like a brain for interactive display. We use high-quality processors for every products, and we have different configuration for your different needs. A good LED screen is very important for creating a high-definition 4K interactive display. We using high-quality screen such as LG, AUO, GUI, CSOT. With good quality screen you can enjoy excellent vision experience. Screen protector can make screen become anti-glare and more solid, realize 178 degrees wide vision angle. We use the best glasses to be screen protectors, make sure you have a sturdy and durable, interactive board. Last step is fixing the frame. After that, a completed product will be made out. For ensuring stable quality, we will take strict quality tests such as aging test, touch function test, etc.